Is it time to buy or sell Ford stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Ford. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of January, 2025, our system has classified Ford as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 1.01. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will keep a close watch on this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock currently resides within the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. Should the lower trend floor of $9.57 be breached, it would signal an accelerated rate of decline. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential decrease of approximately 10.04% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 11.59% to a slight gain of 0.0679%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a decrease of around 15.35% over the next year, with potential returns varying from negative 24.70% to positive 16.36%. This suggests a price range of $7.33 to $11.33 after a year. Our latest daily update for Ford includes the headline, Ford stock downgraded to sell candidate. The Ford stock price decreased by 0.205% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 8th of January, 2025. The stock fluctuated during the day by 1.77%, with a low of $9.58 and a high of $9.75. Over the last 2 weeks, the stock has experienced a decline of 1.62%. On the last day, trading volume also fell along with the stock price, which indicates a positive sign, as volume typically follows price movements. Specifically, the trading volume decreased by 5 million shares, leading to a total of 56 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $542.1 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $14.85, while the lowest was $9.49. Currently, the price stands 34.41%, or $5.11, below the 52-week high. Additionally, it is 62.35%, or $16.13, below the all-time high of $25.87, which occurred on January 13, 2022. The electric vehicle market in the United States advanced in 2024, demonstrating resilience for brands like Ford, despite some challenges. While growth in electric vehicle sales moderated compared to previous years, and consumer concerns over pricing and charging infrastructure remained active, a significant uptick in sales during the fourth quarter has set a positive tone going into 2025. Ford's iconic status in the automotive sector continues to hold value, particularly as it reported that sales of the Mustang Mach-E surpassed those of the traditional Mustang, marking a crucial milestone in the transition to electric vehicles. This trend could enhance investor confidence and support potential stock price appreciation in the short term. However, Ford faces competitive pressure, particularly from General Motors, which is currently experiencing a strong stock surge. This rivalry may influence Ford's market positioning and stock performance. Additionally, the United Auto Workers have initiated steps for a union election at Ford's battery plant in Kentucky, which could introduce complexities in labor relations that might impact operational costs and investor sentiment. Moreover, Ford is part of a coalition with other manufacturers to pool carbon emissions aimed at compliance with stringent European Union regulations, indicating a strategic alignment towards sustainability. In the long term, this collaboration might strengthen Ford's market competitiveness and adaptability in an increasingly environmentally conscious market. Overall, while short-term challenges like labor negotiations and competition could induce some volatility, Ford's strategic movements within the electric vehicle space are likely to drive positive sentiment and, potentially, stock price stability in the long run. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned F a perform rating along with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Deutsche Bank also rated F with a hold grade and a hold action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, Barclays gave F an overweight rating with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Goldman Sachs provided F with a buy grade and an upgrade recommendation. Lastly, on Wednesday, the 25th of September, 2024, Wells Fargo rated F as sector perform with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Ford stock. They view the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Ford. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Ford stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance can be expected at $9.82 and $10.39. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, and so far, the stock has risen by 0.93%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 24 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 27 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 15 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop-loss considerations for Ford. Ford currently finds support from accumulated volume at $9.68. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock typically experiences average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 170 cents, which represents 1.77%. During the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 3.08%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Ford, let's briefly go over some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This key metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate diminished expectations for the company's future or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 35 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ford. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Ford is at $9.88. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Ford encounters its first support level at $9.68. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Ford from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 11th of December, 2024, Henry Ford III made an insider purchase of 3,446 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. On the same day, Henry Ford III also sold 10,338 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. Additionally, on the 11th of December, 2024, Henry Ford III conducted another insider purchase, acquiring 20,676 shares of Class B stock with a par value of 1 cent. On the 2nd of December, 2024, Lynn Vovedich Radakovich made an insider purchase of 2,468 shares of Ford stock units. On the same day, Lynn Vovedich Radakovich purchased an additional 240 shares of Ford stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 15.491. In total, insiders acquired 1,770,287 shares and sold 1,304,091 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Ford stock a good buy? Ford exhibits several negative signals, leading us to believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have adjusted our recommendation from a hold or accumulate to a sell candidate since our last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 10th of January, we anticipate that Ford will open lower by 5 cents and start trading at $9.69. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.